Hello everyone, my name is Nelli and I'm an application specialist here at Malvern Panalytical. So we went through how to create a method using the default settings, and for most users that is great, that is all they need. However, if you do want to have access to the configuration settings, you can go into under Advanced Settings and you can have access to the angle of the detection, if it's a side scatter, forward or back scatter angle. You can change the position method, for example, if you want to measure at the center of the cell. You can change the measurement process, how many runs you want to do or how long you want these runs to be. Finally, we can set an optical filter. For instance, if we have samples that fluoresce at the wavelength of the laser, we can put the fluorescence narrowband filter in, and in this way we can exclude the fluorescence noise and improve drastically the quality of our results.